That's not me moving the mouse. That's Grace, one of our AI employees at Kingdom Coaching. Pulling specs, building the bid, preparing documents. This is why your competitor is underbidding you. They're not working harder. They have AI employees eliminating errors, killing waste, running SOPs while you're still copying and pasting. We build the operating systems for your computer, your people, your team, your AI. You grow efficiently or you get bought out. Pick one. I answer my phone, 763-373-4478. No pitch, no calendar trap, just a Monday with one of those things you need to fix.